If you want to take advantage of the 30% solar tax credit, then you need to act fast because time is running out. With only 3 weeks left in 2025, there's still one way you can qualify for the 30% solar tax credit before the subsidy runs out. The smarter way to go solar. All right, now in today's video, we're talking about the one way that you can still qualify for the 30% solar tax credit before the subsidy runs out. Now, of course, the way to do that is with a self-directed solar installation. And we're seeing many more homeowners go the self-directed route, which essentially means instead of hiring a full-service solar contractor or solar installation company, you as the individual homeowner can purchase your solar equipment directly from the manufacturer, and in some cases do the installation yourself, or hire an electrician or a roofer to help you for certain parts of the installation where needed, but where you as the system owner are essentially taking over as the project manager. Now, on the other hand, when you go with a full-service solar contractor, there are a number of things that have to happen. Paperwork and third-party approvals that have to happen between the time of contract signing and the actual installation date. And that's the key date in terms of qualifying for the tax credit. It's the date that the system is placed in service, or the date that the system is turned on. By the way, I should say I'm not a tax professional. I'm not giving you any tax advice, but the wording from the IRS talks about the date that the system is placed in service. Now, a licensed contractor that you hire as a third party, like a solar service company, they're going to have to go through a number of steps before they can do the physical installation and place the system in service. In most cases, they will send a technician out to do a pre-site survey to basically walk through the home, take measurements and photographs to make sure that they have a clear plan for the install. After that, they'll draw up a set of fully engineered plans. Plans detailed down to the level of every individual electrical circuit, as well as every roof attachment point for your solar panels. They'll then take those plans and go to your local AHJ, which would be like your city or county government, and apply for building and electrical permits. Now, depending on how fast your county works, you could be waiting 2, 3, 4 weeks just to get the permits back. Of course, there's also paperwork to file with your power company. If you're going to be engaging in a net metering agreement with your power company, you typically have to apply for that net metering program prior to the installation. Now, when we talk about a net metering program, basically what we mean is your relationship with the power company becomes a two-way relationship. So during daylight hours, you can directly power your home using solar power, and then all of your excess solar power would be sent back out to the power company, earning you credits on your account, so that during the evening hours when the solar panels are no longer producing, you can pull energy in using the credits that you earned during daylight hours. But again, that's a program that you have to apply for, and that approval takes time. And then finally, many of you, if you live in a neighborhood that has a homeowners association, you may have to apply with your homeowners association as well to approve the plans. So all of that takes time, and for that reason, if you were to start the process with a contractor today, a full service contractor today, they're not going to get through all those approvals in time to have the system installed and placed in service in 2025. However, like I said, there's a new way to install solar where you as the owner will play the role of project manager, and you can order your equipment directly. So you've got a number of advantages with a system like that. Now, of course, the big one is you can lower your cost because you can get rid of all the contractor markup on the equipment, and you can control your labor costs. So depending on your level of expertise, you may be able to complete the installation yourself using some of the all-in-one complete systems. The system that we're going to be talking about specifically today is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, which the inverter and the battery stack can pretty much be assembled in about 5 minutes with no special tools other than a screwdriver. And then if you need help making some high voltage connections, you can hire a local electrician on an hourly basis to help you make those connections, but you're not paying tens of thousands of dollars for a full-service solar company. Now, with a self-directed system, you may not have to do any application with the power company. If you install a solar with battery storage system like the Delta Pro Ultra X, basically the system can be configured for self-consumption, meaning that instead of having to worry about buying and selling electricity back and forth with the power company, you simply use your solar panels to charge any excess solar power into your batteries so that during evening hours when the solar panels are no longer producing, you can just run your home off the batteries. You don't have to worry about buying and selling or trading with the power company. Essentially, you become your own power company and you just use the power company as the last resort only. In the event that your batteries drain down and the solar can't recharge it fast enough, then you would only pull from the power company as a last resort. Also, since the system would not be interactive with the electric grid, permits may not be required. So you may very well be able to just go directly online to the website or on Amazon, order the equipment directly. In the case of portable solar panels, if you use the portable solar panels, which you can just ground mount yourself, or if you want to have a professionally mounted solar panel array, you may want to bring in a solar or roofing contractor to help with that portion of the install. Now again, EcoFlow just rolled out their new Delta Pro Ultra X, which is available direct to consumer. They've got some very competitive pricing right now. In fact, we'll make sure that we get the latest discount codes in the description down below. But one of the great things about this method is that you can control the project schedule and the project cost. And of course, as many of you know who've been following the channel for a while, there is a pretty significant contractor markup on solar equipment. Now, I'm not here to bash solar contractors. I think solar contractors, frankly, are in a very challenging position right now, especially as they try to figure out how to reconfigure their business to stay healthy and profitable in the post-tax credit world. But as many of you know, have been following for a while, we've seen a number of solar contractor business failures, and that's one of the big reasons that many more homeowners are choosing to go the self-directed route. You see, the way solar is typically sold to homeowners in the United States is with a no money down solar loan and a 25-year guarantee. And essentially the sales pitch is, Mr. Homeowner, we're going to give you 100% financing for your solar panels, and your monthly payment is going to be completely covered by what you save off your electric bill. But of course, that sales pitch assumes low interest rates, and it also assumes that the contractor is going to be around for 25 years to maintain and service that system. And unfortunately, that's just not the case. The average lifespan of a contractor is about 6 or 7 years, and that has led to now over 1 million abandoned solar systems. And when we talk about abandoned solar systems, what we mean is it was a system that was purchased with a 25-year guarantee, oftentimes with 25-year financing, but the contractor that made those promises has gone out of business, and now the homeowner is stuck potentially having to pay out of pocket for maintenance and repairs. But again, as the industry evolves, many more homeowners are choosing to go the self-directed route. Of course, you have, your manufacturer's warranties. Companies like EcoFlow will back their solar equipment, and then you as the system owner, if you choose to, you can bring in a roofer or an electrician on an hourly basis to help you with the install or to help you with maintenance or upgrades down the road if that becomes necessary. So this has been a discussion on the one way that you can still take advantage of the 30% tax credit in 2025. By the way, if you haven't seen our previous video where we do a full hands-on system test and review of the Delta Pro Ultra X, go back and watch that previous video where we can show you and demonstrate the hardware and operation in more detail. Of course, if you're a homeowner, if you're in the process of looking at different solar and battery options for your home, you always have the option to use the link below. You can schedule a call with one of us to talk over the project, or just use the free online calculator tool to see how much solar and battery storage costs in your area. But that pretty much does it for today's video. I thank you all for spending some more time on the Solar Surge channel. And as always, I'm Joe Ordia here, encouraging you to get prepared and be empowered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.